Hey, thanks for visiting my ad about my 1990 Ford E-250 four-wheel drive Club Wagon XLT. It's been a great adventure van for my family, and thank you for your interest. Let's give you a tour. Here in the front, see new LED lights. Also with the deflectors, RBP step-ups, 8-foot roof rack, Rancho shocks. Comes with original paint and tinted windows. So go ahead and take a step up this ladder and see what's up on top. So you'll see that we have an 8-foot roof rack for lots of storage. There's also a grill ladder that helps with the fold-out tent. It's providing a foundation for it. As you can see, it's mounted on there with the 2 lead bars. And it comfortably sleeps 2. I'm 6'5" and have room. So here's a shot of us camping with it in Malibu a couple of years ago. Go ahead and continue around the van to the back. You'll see it has a spare tire with cover and a tow package as well. So some extras that come with the van include the fire extinguisher, safety kit, windshield wipers, fuel tanks, owner's manuals, along with other manuals that have been published since 1990, the roller jack, and some extra speakers that I had that I think would work in this van if you wanted to swap them out. So those just come along with the van for your convenience. Next, I want to give you an overview of the curtain system. So they're blackout curtains that can be drawn all the way to the front of the van. And then with the visor, you get full 360 privacy. It's got vision rims. Goodrich all-terrain tires. It's got the Flowmaster exhaust. Here's the sliding door. Let's go ahead and check out the interior. We got the RBP flip-ups. Seats are 360 reversible. So there's seating for 7 in the back. Back seat does lay down in the pictures, as you can see, to a queen size mattress. You can also fit a full sheet of 8-foot plywood in here, as long as these chairs are turned facing the back, which is convenient for projects. Next, we'll head up front. See that this van is equipped with power steering, with power windows and doors, with air conditioning, 133,000 miles, and it's an XLT, so it has a V8 7.5 liter 460, also known as the Ford Big Block. Bluetooth stereo, air conditioning does work, newly installed. It's the XLT, power windows and doors. Stereo is by Sony and is Bluetooth enabled. Also have a subwoofer powered by Jensen, a Power Plus 420 for some additional low end. It is a 4x4 van. In terms of fuel, it has two tanks, one in the front and one in the back. Thanks for checking out my ad. I look forward to talking with you soon about giving you a test drive and if this is the right fit for you.